Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing an eggless chocolate pudding recipe. It's dairy free, sugar free and gluten free. Super healthy and ideal to include in your weight loss journey. So let's get started with the recipe. I have already soaked a handful or about 8 to 10 almonds overnight and I'm going to peel the almonds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make fresh almond milk with the overnight soaked almonds. It's very important that you soak the almonds overnight and then you peel and use it, as this will help to release the phytic acid content in almonds, which will help in better nutrient absorption and also will help in good digestion. So I'm going to peel all the almonds. Add the overnight soaked and peeled almonds into the chutney grinder. Add in 1/4 cup water and I'm going to blend this really well. Once ground, transfer the fresh almond milk into a cup. Into the same chutney grinder, I'm adding in another 1/4 cup of water and I'm washing down the residue almond milk into the cup. So this way there is no wastage. And now I have 1/2 cup of fresh homemade almond milk. Add the fresh homemade almond milk into a blender jar. Into this I'm adding in 4 tablespoons or 1/3 cup of raw cacao powder. For sweetness I'm adding in 7 to 8 soft medjool dates, which I have roughly chopped. The dates I'm using are really soft, hence it's easily blendable. So what I did was I just removed the pit of the date and then I roughly chopped the date. If the dates you are using are not soft like mine, you may need to soak it in water and then use it so that it is easily blendable. I'm using 8 dates in this recipe. However, you can increase or decrease dates as per your sweetness. 2 medium-sized ripe avocados. Lightly run the avocado on the counter like this. Slice the avocado. Remove the pit. With a spoon, scoop the avocado and slice into small pieces with the spoon itself and add into the blender. Doing the same thing with the rest of the avocado. Avocados are rich in healthy fats, essential vitamins and minerals. Next I'm adding in 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, a big fat pinch or 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and now I'm going to blend this really well. Those who don't like the flavor and taste of avocado, you will not even know that there is avocado in this pudding, as the ingredients like raw cacao powder, dates, vanilla extract and cinnamon powder will help to balance out the avocado flavor. Once blended, the chocolate pudding is creamy, thick and soft. Transfer the thick and creamy pudding into a serving dish. I like to sprinkle in a teaspoon of raw cacao nibs for an added crunch. Lastly, I'm sprinkling in 1/2 teaspoon of finely chopped cashew nuts. This is entirely optional. And my healthy, sugar-free, dairy-free and gluten-free eggless chocolate pudding is ready to serve. I also like to keep it in the refrigerator for at least 15 minutes before serving. So guys, do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.